Okay. Oh, oh, sorry, I instantly. Okay, everything's good. Nice. Hello, hello. Hi. Yeah, I worked on a little bit of the game and got some help, but if I'm not mistaken, did I leave things in a oh wait. Did I leave this scuffed? Oh, I did not. Anyway, yeah, hello everyone. Long Fimsh. So it worked out a way to I can play the game. Oh, oh no, the game is here, but you can't see it. What the? That's not okay. That's not okay. Oh my. Even the in editor one, it's broken. Oh no. Well, that's something. Well. What if it's broken like that? If I do like a normal window capture, hang on, why is my list not showing up? Oh yeah, there we go. If I do a normal window capture instead of a special one, does it just kind of work? Okay, so this is the normal one. And if I go play now, oh yeah, look at that. It doesn't show up. What the? Yeah, that's fucked. Like this is what it should be showing. Also, look, longfinch. Look at that longfinch. Holy. Also, why is there so much food? Yeah, the finch is like not eating today. Let me solve that with spawning some more finch. But yeah, I have a little UV bug, but that's whatever. I'll fix that later. And currently, yeah, I think it's all right. I think this is all right. Um, yeah, it'll do. It'll do for now. We need to fix bugs and finish everything up, and I don't know what that is just at this moment. So if I stop finish background game capture, but this one. Well, yeah. Okay, we're going back here. What I want to know is if I go, can I make it bigger without like, oh yeah, there we go. That's cool. It's very cool. Sarah, hello. Yo. Look at what I got help doing. Look at the longfinch. Is like all one piece. Is all one piece. I mean, I need to not have it like. Yeah, it's pretty cool. What I could do, well, like what I should do is probably like have the head be part of the one piece and then do a proper tail, because then maybe it just tapers away instead of just ending. But that's like things to work out later. It's so cute, yeah. Actually, what I need to do is do the other clients look correct? Like, actually, I can just go here. If we go disconnect, click play. No. Disconnect, spectate. Oh yeah, look at that. Other players look correct as well. It's like this is this player, and then this is the spectating player. Yo, nice. Oh, that's sick. Um, yeah. I need to look at the list of issues we have because I don't remember what we have left to do. Because I do have the speed up thing and that does work. Hang on. I haven't checked if that works on all clients. So we have this one play. We have this one spectate. And then here I need to, oh yeah, I need to do this on the other screen. And then I need to see if the main one will, like the one we're spectating, if it speeds up correctly when we eat a red thing. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, it does speed up. Like the texture gets all buggy, but it is what it is. You're nice. Holy. First try. Um, alright. It does make me question. It's tail time, yeah. Okay, it works perfectly. Like I have it working fantastic. Oh yeah, look at this. Look, the in editor one doesn't work. Look, you can't see it. The in editor one doesn't show up. And this is for both OBS game capture, which does the whole Vulkan thing, and also just like the normal OBS window capture. This just doesn't show. It's gone. It's gone. Which is unfortunate. So I still need to come over here and do this. But yeah, it works perfectly between clients. Like if I spectate with this one, I tabbed out. Oh, tabbing out. Oh shit, we have an issue. Yeah, I forgot. I've been avoiding that one. But otherwise, like this one being a client, if I don't tab out, um, it works fine. uh, mm, mm. Both the game and the editor running on Wayland. Yeah, everything's running Wayland, as far as I know. Well, like I know the editor certainly is, because if it's currently like in the middle of launching stuff and then I move the window, it will crash saying in property required, property number 8 doesn't exist, and then dies because of some Wayland thing. And so does all my crashes have been Wayland related. That's not what we're here to fix. We're not here to fix streaming or the editor. I'm pretty sure I did. Maybe I just commented it out. I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah. Yeah, it's commented out. It's gone. Is it a different color? Because it was a big different color last time. No, it's the same color. I have the hitboxes showing visible collision shapes. That would have been altering the color ever so slightly. I'm still sharing my desktop. Amazing. Yeah. Yeah, it's all one color. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, the only thing I haven't done anything since yesterday. Yeah, the tail texture gets the little bit weird when we do the speedy. But that's about it. Mm, 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 mm. Oh no. Wait, what? It's doing, why is the tip this front one? Wait. Let me start a new client. Yeah, okay, this is static. Wait, why was the very first like semicircle doing the UV shenanigans after speeding up? Yeah, after speeding up. Yeah, what the? Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah. I was surprised at how well it works, and it's interesting that even when we go back down to normal speed, it does work except for that first line, which might be hard to see on stream. That first line does start bugging a little bit. Oh, it's perfect. Clean. It doesn't handle frame count not being an integer. I don't remember if I fixed that on mine or not. Oh, look, it's getting a bit kinky. What the? Yeah. Frame count. Oh yeah, I don't have it as an integer still in the code. you see that you check if player T is 0, then it works if frame count only frames counts. It's fixable though. Oh, here. You just need to make it like less than or equal to ellipson. Ellipson. No player T. I guess because we divide it by ticks per second, we want to know if tailpiece was added on the last physics process of the player, so we install that directly. Oh, okay. Tail stuff. Var tail added last physics frame, boolean false, and then we find tail add. Is it add tail? Does this? Well, yeah. I don't. I'm pretty sure we do this calculate size all over the place within and outside of. Like this happens when new points are added to a player, which is just a network thing, and so we just set it to false at the end of a physics update. No, at the end, or is that at the start? It's at the end. No. So this is true specifically when inside the update count. Well, here, we just do it here. We just go new, I don't remember what I called it, tail added last physics frame equals true. Okay, yeah, okay. So I'm gonna say path points added last physics frame equals true here. Start it off at false. Find physics process. Yeah, and then here we just make it false. Like that. And then, yeah, if owner dot path points added. Wait, I still have my, yeah. Set it to false right before the if. Alrighty. Boop. Save. Wait. Yeah. Wait. This is not a tail related thing. I don't think anyway. Why does the curve get kinky when we go fast? Oh no, it is a tail related thing, never mind. Why is the path so fat? This shouldn't exist. Why am I carrying that around? Go away. This as well can go away. mm, mm, mm. Stop. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, it's mine. All of this is mine. Like the only thing I copy pasted the shader and then I modified this, which ended up being close to a copy paste because I ended up just commenting out the old one, and that was it. Everything else I did myself. It was just the code I copied over. Oh, currently, I couldn't work out how to make it fatter at the start, so I added 0.5 here, which means the tail goes on for longer than it should. The way you interpolate update count is also wrong. Mm, mm, mm. Like in your player thing, because I still have. This is still the way I've done it here. Oh, on the tail. Updates count. Oh, this is frame count here. This one, the left path. Hence the -1. Oh. Do speed multi instead. Okay. What I'm gonna do is go funk get speed multi, becomes float, and then we just go cut, paste, return, get speed multi, save. This is also a float. This is void. Tail visual minus get speed multi. Save. Owner. Nice. Play. Play. Oh wait. I need to get rid of the line. Why is it so fat? I don't remember making it fat. I'm gonna make it 2 thickness. Yeah, I might do that later. Okay. Oh shit, I missed the speed thing. Yeah, okay, nice. Well, yeah, we still have the kink. The kink still happens. Hello? Hi. Sorry, the cat opened the door, 1 sec. You're using direction on the tail, like, yeah. Because I was already kind of doing that, but we're using velocity, and so I just like separated that out. Well, I didn't separate it out, I just updated it when it needs to get updated, which is somewhere. Where do we set this? Oh yeah, here, vector 2 from angle, yeah. So I do it for both of these, and then I get the velocity, which should actually, this should just be direction. So like if we need to calculate speed, then like I just make direction equal velocity instead of the angle. It's not too difficult. Not too difficult. It was like, what's this update? Frame count over physics engine. Speed multi. On line 52. Oh yeah. Oh, move speed. Like the base speed. Both of these should be base speed. Oh yeah, look at that. Wait. That works really well. I mean, it's funny that the repetitions double when you have double speed. That's kind of cool, actually. That's funny. Well, we don't have double speed, so it would be like 1.5 repetitions, not double. uh, reps per second uses speed too. Okay. Reps per second is here we just do move speed then. Fimsh, oh, this is the red one. Oh, yo, nice. Yeah, after speeding up once, it does this jumping thing. Yeah, that's curious. Not when we're going fast anymore though, just after. And ghosting. Yeah? Is that what you think? Is that what happened? Interesting. You think it related update counter to being non-integer? I mean, we could just floor update counter here and check, right? Because I'll make an int every time until it's not. So if I just floor these, it should be fine. Surely. Wait, do we use this multiple times? We do not. Not here. Why not here? So there's a 0 on the if of player. Instead of subtracting. Like here. This one. Make it 0. The count equals 0. Play. Wait, it's fine. One eating, normal speed. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, there's like a little bump when we first speed up or slow down, but I think that's it. Otherwise, it's flawless. Mm, mm, mm. Nice. Okay, okay. Um, is there any other bugs that I know of? Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, wait, what was that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Spaghetti. Oh wait. I think I know what this is. Tail tail too long? Yeah. It would be because I have the point 0.5 here, right? Mm, mm, save. Yeah. Because yeah, the tail. It's very funny when we're small. Mm, mm. Yeah, let's get some more tail. We multiply the whole subtraction by 2 instead. Max time behind minus t by 2. Oh. Do you think this is enough size? No, we were bigger than this. Hang on, I'll try that after. Oh, never mind. Okay, we'll try that now. So here, this one, we just multiply this by 2. By 2. Wait. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh wow. Oh, that's sick. Mm, 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 mm. Let me turn on collision shapes. Because I think if we might need to do some tweaking maybe. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Thank you for the help. Yeah, this idle bug though, like spectate, and then I put this window behind the editor. Oh, oh. Wait, it returned? Oh well, the browser doesn't return. Oh, yo. I think I give up on this arrow thing. It's not gonna do the thing. Are you okay? Yeah, that's what I thought. Sniff, sniff. Sniff, sniff. Okay, then. Mm, 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 mm. So it stops moving. Does that mean okay, new question. Does that mean when we go AFK or like it's hidden, it continues sending position updates but it doesn't process update anymore? Interesting. How do I do that? Is there a debug? Debug canvas item redraws? Oh, physics. Physics 2D? Yeah, hang on, we do both of these on the main game, don't we? Using disabled resync tabulation max F, yes. Well, if I make the frame rate 10, Oh no. The frame rate at 10 is disgusting. Oh. Oh my god. Disgusting. Both of these are at 10. Wait, why is this one so jumpy though? The active one. If this one is also at 10. Wait, is it just because it's inside the editor? If I go client play. Oh no, it's just inside the editor. Oh, oh, I clicked off of it. Oh right, cause I have it unfocused. Okay, so the FPS goes back up to 30. That makes sense. Never mind. Yeah, it does look smooth. It's true. Yep. Um. Yeah. Is that under like engine? Well, I can just put this under ready. Let's play more. We go engine dot physics ticks per second equals 10. Let's play like a whole number, right? I mean, this works too. Yeah. This is a lot better because I don't have to go find shenanigans. Oh yeah, look at that! Oh, delicious. Like the main thing is the food. The food doesn't look like it gets eaten. It just disappears instead of getting sucked in most of the time. What about as a spectator? As a spectator. Yeah, nice. Oh, a little. There's some jumpies. It's jittery, isn't it? Not too much. Like it's a lot better than FPS 10. The spectator seems to be fine. Sometimes it does that jumpy thing, but that's just because we're sending. We would have like diverged too much. That has to lerp to the right place. Yeah, this lerps to the right place once we get far enough away. Not lerps, teleports. Um, uh, as a client, yeah, like the spectator one is not ideal, but it is just yeah. So yeah, when it gets bigger, like there is a slight like the camera moves. Like it's sometimes hard to tell between what's a jitter and what's a camera move. Because when we start getting big enough, I start zooming out the camera as we get bigger. Um, I should probably do that smoothly, right? Because I don't. Oh, yo, for the speed one, when you speed up, it should also zoom out a little bit and then zoom back in when you slow back down for that's how they make it look like you're going faster, right? Or is it the other way around? You zoom in when you start going faster. Faster, faster. Long Fimsh? Nora, hello. How you doing? What is my algorithm? I know my algorithm for camera zooming is like the most scuffed thing you've ever seen in your life. Um, find zoom, set camera zoom. Oh yeah, yeah. It's this algorithm. I kind of just YOLO'd it up. uh, long films, yeah. Did you manage to answer the question did you manage to... I don't even remember doing a Discord message, I'm sorry. Let me oh, probably. I know I was like half asleep when I read it. Sorry for not replying. Well, it looks better than having the tail segment, I think. Because like even if we make it like fat all the way along, like the problem is like I kind of have a problem with the front because like it's not smooth, and we could probably do some shenanigans in the shader to like have the front be visually the front texture. Um, and considering I need this done before the 14th, I was probably gonna keep it as a long yoke tail for now and then add more after I've submitted everything and tested everything because I need to do a lot of testing today and tomorrow. Oop. What you did was have the tail start aligned with the back of the head. Oh. Clear. Tail. Wait, how do I do that? The tail starts. Do we have an offset? I'm pretty sure I want to use offset here because we don't want to change everything that relies on the Fimsh. Oh wait, no, it's just the texture. The texture is fine. 60 is 120, 50 is 151. No, that is 61. No, 51 is 55, 56. But the other way around. The other way. Minus 56. Minus 56. Well, it's... Oh, right. I know what needs to happen. We're not exactly centered, so we should go down like, what, like 5 pixels? Why is the Y backwards? Oh, because I have it upside down. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, okay, the tail's just not... It doesn't start thick enough. Still, somehow. How does the tail not start thick enough? Wait. I'll just hide this real quick. But yeah, it is in the middle of the debug physics square. Or the debug physics square is being drawn underneath. That's interesting. Stop. Stop. Let me, if I just decapitate it a bit, right? Let me just click play. Okay, yeah, we are... Are you scaling the player node? When do you Fimsh scale? I Fimsh scale when we do the calculation of width. Or do I? Or do I? Or is it in the shader? Width. How do I swear I've done this. I remember going through this because I stole the get size. I used get size from find get Size. Oh yeah, here it is. Reps per second is over get size. Does that even make sense? I don't know. Get size. You aren't doing it at all. You did on your tail. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that! Nice. Oh, Fimshy. Oh, Fimshy. Oh man, it's kind of cool how it tapers off. But yeah, maybe... Well, if we stop it from tapering, and we just have a equal width for a hot second, width. And we just do nothing else. How does this look? Do we need to shrink it ever so slightly? Alright, I still need it to cut off. And we do that by this algorithm, right? You need the discard, yeah. Wait, that only happens in the fragment shader. You can't discard a vertex shader. Oh right, I have done this. I have been through this before because I set up a varying float. Wait, do I need this? No, I just need time behind. If max time behind, I need brackets. You can pass T to the fragment shader. What T value would I be looking for? Oh, this T. Yeah, okay, yeah. Because I just made when I was playing around with it, I just made a varying float T, and then I assigned it in the vertex one, and then here if T is less than 99.5, discard. But it's probably better off if we pass it directly to the next shader. Or maybe not. 0.5 is not the right way to discard it. um, uh, oh, you didn't like it. Error. Redefinition of team. Did I not save it? Oh no, because T's in here. Yeah. I'm gonna name this tail T. I've been through this whole thing. Oh my. Tail T. What is it? Max time behind minus tail T? And if all of that's less than 0.5? Or is it something smaller again? UV? What kind of UV? Okay, hang on, I got a shade error. How did I fuck up? Hmm. If max time behind multiplied by reps per second minus UV dot x is less than, oh, it is 0.5. Discard, save, play. Yeah, yeah, that's true. Um, yeah. What kind of thing can be done on this day? Mm, yeah, this is what I was thinking of doing. Um, uniform. I know did they merge this? We need a sampler and a texture, right? I guess if we could use the default sampler. Texture, texture 2D. I don't remember. There is no texture. Oh, yeah, okay. The texture is the sampler texture. Yeah, okay. Tail texture, source color, repeat, disabled, filter. We want a nearest, not linear. And then I presume here instead of this we go color the RGB is equal to we want to sample tail texture by UV question mark. Tail is quite blurry. Probably not. Probably not. The default canvas item texture. How do I do that? Change it to less than 1? Okay. I do not. Projects. Settings. Canvas. Oh yeah, default texture fields are nearest. Boop. Like maybe it's not nearest here for whatever reason. Well, yeah, okay. They might not be nearest because I just slapped them in and then I didn't do anything with them. For the UVs. Alright. Look at 2. Oh wait, no, it is lowercase, nice. Minus UV.x minus max time behind UV.y. What is this? Sample minus 1? 1 minus? Oh yeah, that makes sense. What am I after? That's not sample. Texture? Is it just texture? Yeah, it's just texture. Okay. And then do I even need RGB? Brackets, question mark. Expected a close bracket. Did I miss one? Oh, wait. That is too much in. Yeah, okay, nice. You don't need that one? I don't need 1 minus? Oh, we just add max time behind instead of minus? Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Oop. Save. Applied. Surely this will just work first try, right? Why am I drawing the line segment? Where did this come from? What? The oh, we're not discarding anymore. It just doesn't. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hang on. I understand. I understand. We still need to discard if we are. Is it less than 0.5 or just less than 0? I guess I'll find out. Is not being alphaed. Oh shit! I broke it. Neither. It's not being alphaed. Why would it not be alphaed? Hide the tail segment? Oh yeah, that's true. Tail. You've been demoted to just a hitbox. Boom. I do not. Otherwise it would show up here. Cause like if we go to player, well like like the segment, this thing is always visible, but I have it commented out here. We're not filling it with data. We didn't set the texture. Oh, true. So true. Oh yeah, tail visual shader material. Oh wait, it doesn't exist here. Wait, what? Confusion. It's on the resource. Oh, shader parameters. Yeah, tails texture. Assets. Oh, later on I might need to move this to not a resource because it's ease of use. Long Fimsh tail. Oh, it's gonna be backwards. Because I can't do the flip thing. Just control plus click the UID. Or like this. Well, like if I do this in the view. Oh, look at that. Nice. Cool. Yeah, okay, we have some problems. No. Like the whole texture. This is why under player we have it 180 and -1. Like we flip it upside down and then flip it 180. So it's facing to the right because by default this is facing to the left. So I expect the tail to be backwards, but we don't have this problem right now. Oh, unless this flips it. Well, it might. Why don't you just enable flip H? Because this was in the beginning. This is when I first started the project before I became a Godot. Before I understood Godot to its fullest extent. I was still a Godot scrub. A Godot scrub. That's me. We're not. This is not working. Hello. Synthesesia, welcome. Godot? Gobot? Gobot? Gobot indeed. Hello, welcome in. Wait, why isn't it discarding properly? What am I working on? Long Fimsh. It's a Long Fimsh game. It's like a Slither.io slash Snake.io clone-ish, but Fimsh themed. I'm making it for the Chill Vibes game hosted by Nova Liminal. We're almost done because it ends on the 14th. Thank you for ordering me. I don't have water. The discard, yeah, I thought it would be. Of course it would be. But yeah, we'll be running some playtests in a second. Oh wow, yo, that was interesting. We had no tail for ages. Hang on, I need to stop messing around and do some work. The alpha should at least mask some of the tail. You're right. You're right. Instead of it's just this long blur, this long blue blur. Let me turn on dots. Is it just filling it up all the way to the newest point? Oh yeah, it is too. Look at that. Mm, mm, mm. Oop. Debug off. Do we just have to use? Well, like we don't have this time. Is this T like? You think you know what's happening and you do? Yeah, nice. Okay, sick. Tell me. Give me the answers. So I start working on some other bugs. Over plus there? Here, you're on minus. Okay. Oh yeah, look, the tail's backwards. Not only is it backwards. Not only is it backwards, but it's like yeah, that's amazing. We're also missing a segment. Yeah, that's hilarious. Okay, I love this. I love this. That's amazing. Okay, uh yeah, okay, now where the tail should be is just a blank blue area. Um oh, I need to make sure the tail is actually visible. Hang on, tail segment. Yeah, find visible false. Because when I make visible true, it stops the hitboxes from existing. Just add 1 to the UV. 1.0 plus UV. Oh yeah, look at that. It's upside down. Oh, I just flipped the Y. Mm, 1.0 minus. Yeah! Oh wait, it's offset. It's offset. Hey, let me get rid of the debug. The debug squares, circles. Click play. It is ever so slightly too high. Oh, it's because we flipped it and it's wait, the head was too high as well. How much was the head too high by? The texture is just flawed. 5. 1 minus UV dot Y in the vertex shader? Or instead of here. Does that actually make a difference? Yeah, we go UV dot Y is equal to 1 minus UV dot Y. It does not like this. Minus. Oh, now the head is misaligned. How did the head become misaligned? Oh, wait, was it just... Oh. 0Y? Now it's aligned? Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, nice. Hoggers. Mm, 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 mm. We got a long Fimsh. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah, thank you. Let me just make sure the hitboxes are correct and we don't have like that extra segment. Nice. Also, where's the... Oh, the head collision. Does it matter? Wait, I don't even see the head collision here. Wait, why not? Am I... Oh, wait. It will turn on after we've been alive for 5 seconds. We have an immunity. I need to add a visual for when you're immune and a visual for when you're going faster. I think 5 seconds is a really long time, or the timer is broken. I think the timer is broken because like it hasn't appeared. Stop. Head collision, this thing. Player, find. Collide array edit, disconnect. Head collision. Oh, I know what happened. Because before I had a timer that would disable it and enable that area, but I needed this to still work. And so I added an immunity function, which is, oh yeah, here. Tail might be on top. Well, it's just the, oh, you're right. Let me have a look. Yeah, okay, it is. The tail is. Oh yeah, I can afford to move it forwards because there's enough like. Do I want to move it forwards though? I mean, I think it's fine like this because then you can have a lot of close calls. Well, okay, yeah, I will move it forward slightly. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I don't think it matters that much, but it is what it is. Is immune. Does this end up? Yeah, let me just go push one. Yeah, I hate print lines. Like the fact that I can't find where in the code this gets printed. Disgusting. So I always have to push warning. No longer immune. I just need to make sure this actually works. Print debug should also work. Which one's the client? No longer immune. Nice. Og. Print debug. Boom. No longer immune. Oh yeah, look at that. It comes up here. Oh, but I can't click it. Is it on the debugger at very least? No, it's not even on. No, you can't click it. Like, what the? They already have the functionality for push warning. Oh, oh, what's wrong? Someone should tell them to step up their game. They like they like got halfway there with all the functionality here that's good, but then they just like shat the bed when it came to this. also, I get far more useful errors just in the console here because this list tells me all the good stuff. Most things I find that like when I'm trying to work out where all the warnings are that I want to clean up, I just go through the terminal because everything nice is here. And sometimes the stuff I'm looking for isn't even in here and it shows up here though. So I'm like, what the? It's not okay, Godot. You're cool, but step up your game, please. Penny, please. Okay, we got long Fimsh. This is good. I need to add credits in. Do I do that today? Whenever I do it, it should be pretty easy. But I think what I need to do is fix the when you're AFK stuff. Oh, this. I had the worst time trying to work out how to have an arrow pointing in the direction of the largest Fimsh when you're in game. Initially, it was because it was taking in the rotation of the player. You fix that with top level, but then with top level, it just disappears. and doesn't ever show up, even if you get. Yeah, I don't know. It's like it sounds so simple, but it just doesn't work. I'm doing stuff wrong apparently. So I think this is a later feature. We should hide it. Because I've spent too much time on it. And like maybe tomorrow after we do some playtesting. As in on the edge of the screen. Like my thought is like if not quite on the edge of the screen, but like a radius. So like if this editor is the game, actually I can just go here. If this area is the game, it would be like the circle that is the radius from the player to a little bit in from whichever is the smallest. So if height is the smallest, it'll be here. If width was the smallest, it would be here. And then because it's the smallest, you can do a perfect circle around the thing. Um and so like that part would be easy, but I had all sorts of issues and I'm not sure why. Yeah, I know. That's what I thought too. Because like currently, okay, the way it works, the quick rundown is when there's a new King Fimsh, we get the ID here. If it's us, we make it invisible. If it's someone else and we're in game, we make it visible. This works. We also assign King Fimsh ID. And so with the ID, when we receive an update from the player, like from the network here, if it is the Kingfinch ID and not us, we update the position and then we get the angle from the player to the Kingfinch. I mean, game when Kingfinch gets kinded and we get in the game afterwards, kinged. What if we aren't in game and oh well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. This one comes from the leaderboard. So this will update anyway. This will update anyway. So like if someone else gets Kingfinch, it won't be visible. Yeah, but that's because you're in the menu. It shouldn't be visible when you're not in game, and it won't be visible when you're spectating. What if there aren't any? We aren't in game, and the Kingfinch is kinded. What's kinded? Kinged. And then we enter. Well, okay, let me show you. Leaderboard. Yeah. It's basically, we update the leaderboard every like 8 seconds or something. And if we are on the 0th entry, we update the score and then we send out, like the 0th entry, we send out this. Yeah, correct. Yeah, that's when we send all the leaderboard data. So, yeah. So that part's fine. The visibility is fine. It's just like it's doesn't point in the right direction, and also if I make it top level, it still gets rotated. Which part? The arrow part. Is it top level right now? It is not top level right now. Nope. Because originally I was like I can get it to work perfectly, not top level, but then it rotates with the player, and unrotating the player is what I was trying to do at the moment. Negative owner dot rotation plus the current angle that it should be, but that doesn't like work. Make it top level. Okay, it's top level now. What happens? What happens next? Oop. Oopsie. What is going on? Oh, yo! Let's use physics interpolation, so give it a parent node or a child node and make this the parent. Let's use physics interpolation, so give it a parent node or a child node and make this a parent. Node 2D as a child. Okay, arrow is now a parent. And a sprite 2D. A sprite 2D that is not it? Oh, we have sprite 2D. This is sprite 2D. Oh, okay. Add node. No, yeah, that is okay. Yeah, I understand now. Okay, there we go. We have node 2D. Arrow is now a child. Do I move the script to the arrow 2D? So we go rename arrow sprites, and then we rename this to arrow node. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. The attach script. Where's my arrow script? Give me arrow touch. Wait, so this now extends node 2D. Save. Mm, mm, mm. Now the arrow sprite set it to not be top level. Okay, not top level. Save. So the arrow node to be top level. Done. On the sprite, set the X position to the radius that you want. Oh, I see where you're going with this. I see. Okay, yeah, let's do 50. Sorry, I worked out what you're going for. Is that in the right direction? Yeah, it is nice. Yeah. And now we just need to rotate this node instead of doing position shenanigans. Apparently not. Apparently it's right here. Hang on, apparently it's right here. Do like 240. Save. Local player is this. Camera is this. Well, we might not need, no, yeah, anyway. Now that you have the HoloLive logo in place, you can go to the script. Yeah, we're in the script. You don't have, well, no, this just updates when it is. Like, I was gonna have this be a goal angle, and then it laps to the goal angle. Kind of fast, but like, yeah. Here, whenever we get the position from the network, which is the server of where that king player is when it updates. But the player moves, it does, yeah, but it's just meant to be on, like, the king is approximately that direction. Both of them. Well, yeah, but like getting which player is like getting the player's position frequently here, or even just like getting a reference to a player would mean I need to come from all the way inside this one player all the way out to like here to the player spawner because all the players are some sort of child of a player spawner and then gets the player from ID. I already have that. Not from within the player. Like most of the stuff goes top down. Like I generally try to do top down. So for the most part, if it's above, it handles all the stuff below, and then if something's below, it handles all the stuff below again. Getting a reference to game from somewhere. This is within game. Players within game. Like yeah, and also this was just meant to be a scuffed little thing, not perfect. Like maybe I might change my mind. But like also if we wanted to get the player spawn, I suppose here we just need to return the owner and then have this node get the player's owner and that gives us the spawn and then we can get the player reference that way. No physics interpolation. Play doesn't have an owner, but it does though. Like the player spawner it spawns the player as a child, and so the player's owner is player spawner. No, player has a parent, not an owner. Is there a difference? Mm, 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 mm. It's not the root. Owner refers to the scene. Oh, okay. Fair enough. Mm, 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 mm. Fair enough. Mm. We still need physics for this? Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. Come here. Come here, little arrow. Where are you? Mm, mm, mm. Physics process. Yeah, I'll just put it here. Wow, I'll put it at the bottom. Okay. Physics process. Us. Returns void. It doesn't know like this. Delta. Okay, so go global position is equal to owner.global position. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I would have spotted it later. It's true. Mm, mm, mm. This would also be in here though, right? Because we do save this, so um it would be like this. If we were to snap it to the right place, which we may choose not to. Rotation equals king player position minus of course. minus local player the angle. See? Minus operator. Oh wait, the position. Same. Or is it global position? It is global. Same. Oh, this one should be global as well, right? Well, no. That one is already this part of the package player position. What is local player? That is this. This is our player class. Wait, does that mean it will work in spectator mode? Maybe it would work in spectator mode. Oh, maybe we don't have to be in game. We just have to be spectating. Okay. Go play. Then we have to wait for the leaderboards. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. This is what happened whenever I do top level. Oh, it died? Right, I forgot to put the check in. Because, like, yeah. King player ID. Just if we don't exist, then don't run anything. Save. Wait, what? Hey, why does my... Wait, are they on the same server? What is going on? Is it gonna update correctly? Wait, this one's not updating correctly. Oh no, there we go. Yeah, there's no arrow at all. This is the this is what happens when I make a top level, it just disappears. I don't know where it goes. This was the problem I was facing. Oops, spectate. Hello, Astatin. Look, long Fimsh, and look, there's no segments. Look, segmentless. Long Fimpsy. We don't see long Fimsh? Oh, fuck. That's what you meant. That's what you meant. I thought you didn't see the arrow. Not that you didn't see, yeah. Not that you didn't see anything. But yeah, there's no arrow. Arrowlessness. Because both of them now agree, like, both the leaderboards are up. So they both have the thing, but arrow gone. Okay, it died. Long Fimsh. No, long Fimsh. Yeah, there's no arrows anywhere. Look, no gaps. No segments. Make the arrow always visible? That's true. Okay. Fine, just make this true. Okay. True. And true. True. I mean, that was probably a better way to do that. Yeah, see, nothing. It gone. Is not here. But I imagine if I stop making this top level, it reappears, because this is what happened before. Yeah, look, there it is. But it's not top level, it's in the right place. Also, wait, it's kind of working. Oh no, it's still rotating with me. Never mind. But yeah, look, not top level, works fine. Top level is gone. Set the layer really high. Ordering. Like, let's go 10. Again. Let me go 100, just in case. It's gone. Yeah, top level equals it doesn't exist. It's just gone. It's just gone. It is literally, I literally dragged this into here. It can't be anything else other than this. Change local player to owner. Okay. Owner. Owner. Is it this? Nope. Yeah, it's gone. Bye bye. Let me just make sure I got all the visibles. Visible true, 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 true. Yeah, it's all the way true. Let me just go. Whenever we go func process void, I'll just go visible true here. We guarantee it's always visible. Delta? Set scale to owner scale as well. Oh, global scale equals. Well, I changed these back to local. I should make them owner again, right? Oh yeah, look, there it is. You're right. You're right. Alone hasn't gotten a leaderboard yet. Oh. Yeah, okay. This one is not the king. Does that mean this Fimsh is up here? Ugh. Fuck. Should we do this? If we do this, they should run into each other? Yeah, okay, it does work. I keep forgetting I'm doing global sins. What do you mean, global sins? How is it a global sin? I think the global sin is when you like do the $ thing where you're like you do like the relative $ like player thing or like // player. This is a global sin. Or is it $ percent sign? I don't know. This is a global sin, I think. At least here, when it breaks, it like dies. Like the program dies when it breaks instead of just being like, oh yeah, it's nothing. That's okay. Unset. Yeah, I think both of those are criminal. You should be put in jail. I don't know. Like I encountered so many bugs because of both of those, and like a lot of the time it was just because like Godot was like, oh, they're not connected anymore. GG. And like the way to fix it is to reconnect it, but you don't know until like you've been debugging like why are things not working for like 16 hours. And all you have to do is like reconnect it properly. Whereas at least here this turns into none and it's like, yo, this is doesn't even exist in the first place. Please fix. Sorry, I had a quick crash out. Don't worry, I'm not actually upset. I have been saved at least at least 21 times by this like going like when the connection breaks, this clears itself and then gives me an error when we run the game. What is that? Thank you for many Fimsh and Rainbow. Uh, thinking, thinking. Do we want to have players have a reference to the spawner and then get the arrow to do that? To get that from the player? Well, it seems so like roundabout though. No, this is fine. This will do. I need to change its X location though. It be thy choice, yeah. Right. I need to here. Get rid of this now. And this. Yeah, okay. I need to get how big the window is whenever we get a new. Well. We get it at the start, and then whenever there's a window resize, I think. Wait, how did I do that? Look here. Player spawner, get player from ID. I had this at some point. How did I get the player spawner all the way down? Oh, wait, no. This is when I moved this arrow to game. I put it in here because I thought maybe it would be easier. Um, but it made it harder. It made it harder, so I didn't. Oh yeah, true. That would be cool. Okay, that's a good idea. I do have a fade out script. I can probably just slap that on it. Yeah, I can because if we go fade out, we slap down the arrow sprite. Although extends label. Wait, how do you have like multi-purpose things when one of them needs a control node, another one needs a label? I guess here we do some label stuff. Okay, let me detach the script. Detach. Give me a new script. Fade out node 2D. Well, we'll just call it node, right? Node 2D. Extends node 2D. So yeah, we'll just copy what we have in here because this is basically when we change the visibility. We start the tween, and then the rest is like chill. This one, please. Copy, paste. Duration, trans type, ease type, nice. Come back over here. We don't have a start and end color, that's fine. Tween function. Oh, this is the alpha, this one. Tween function. Come back here, slap that in. We'll fix that in a sec. Start tween is all of this and feed finish. Yeah, this. Yeah, we're basically just copy pasting all this shit. That goes away. This is just. This is just. Do we just have alpha? Wait, does sprites have an alpha? Color? Texture? Wait, how do you do alpha? Sets. Is it modulate? Do we have to use modulate? No, that's for color. Canvas item has modulate? Huh. Rumor Invictus. The game was like crack yesterday. Hello, Grim. Oh, yo, Grim. Hang on. That's good. I know Vix wants to play more. I'm interested in playing more. Like, I didn't want to sleep. But it was enjoyable. I would like to play more too. Yo, have you seen? It's a movie called War Machine. Self-modulate.a. Oh, we only need one of them. That's fine. If not visible, return. If tween, kill it. Create new tween. All of that. Tween function, duration, feed. Yes. We don't have tween. My tween is here. Copy. Yeah. Save. Wait, now we can tweak it here. I guess translinear is fine. Duration 4 seconds, so it's like half the duration. Now that means nothing. Oh well, here we go. Arrow sprite dot visible equals true. Wait. Does it count if the parent's visibility changes or just the child's visibility? I guess we'll find out. If not, local player return or not in game. Not in game. In game not declared. What do you mean? Oh, it's in underscore game. So then here we only wait, we need to make it false. Oh yeah. Okay, this simplifies it because here we go or we are the king Fimsh. Then we return this. It will visible false itself. That's fine. Player ID, player died, reset visibles false is fine. Okay. Yeah, I might need to change this to the arrow sprite rather than the node, but I guess we'll see. It was good. Yeah, I watched it last night and holy, yeah, that was sick. Yeah, they did a really good job on like the the like the tank thing. Like I like the visuals was like, oh shit, that's some cool shit right there. Because yeah, I saw it on Netflix and I was like, it shouldn't have been visible there. And yeah, so it goes invisible. It fades away initially, just from the default position, which we should fix. But when we have the update, which it didn't, yeah, okay, we need to change some things. It was indeed the sickest movie in a while. Yeah, I'm keen to see the Markiplier video still. The movie. Oh, sickest. Okay, so arrow node, I think we just keep this visible at all times. Go at export var arrow sprite 2D. Okay. So arrow sprite dot visible. We set it to false here. Oh, wait. Here, visible at start change. If not visible, yeah, that's fine. Visible. When we reset it, we make it visible false. That's fine. And then here, visible true if local player doesn't exist, or we're not in game, or the King Fimsh is us. So that means when we go reset, do we reset at the beginning? King Fimsh is equal to local player dot owner ID. Yeah, we'll go reset here. Oh wait, in game. Wait. We reset here, but then we set in game to. Wait, why are we setting in game true when this spawns? This is false. In game false. If player spawned and it's us, then in game is true. Yeah, that's fine. That's perfect. Player died and it was us or the one we're spectating reset. Perfect. This will be arrow sprites, but visible is true. Yeah, let's see if this works. Did you set the starting value for the twin? It is at. I mean, it was working, so 1 to 0. Yeah. It's a percentage, so 1 to 0. Yeah. Game. So we go client play. What? Oh, this is arrow. Find ID. Yeah, it has owner ID. Oh, it's not set though. Owner ID on base type nil. Why are you base type nil? If local player. Okay, nice. Click play. It did not show up. We don't do anything to it here, do we? Table path, frame shed, E area, accelerate timer, which no. Okay, this doesn't touch it. It's not in game. King Fimsh is asked return. Visible. Not visible, we don't do anything between. Self-modulate alpha. Alpha goes from 1 to 0 for the duration. We saw this work, this is fine. Visibility changed. Here. Critical play equals null. Oh! That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. That's from when I had inside the game thing, rather than like, yeah. Yo, nice. Okay, we have some connecting bugs, but they resolve quite quickly. Technically, this one should have an arrow already. It does not. It does not. It's not working. Sag, what happened? What happened? I broke it. It is broked. Oh yeah, what if we just never make it false? Save. We never make it invisible. Start playing. Stop playing. I think I said I was gonna update the timer on this. Okay, it's still not. How did we break this? Maybe it's this? That doesn't make sense. It broke. It broke it did. Okay, no arrow to be seen. How did I fuck it? Let me just detach this script real quick. If I like, it should just be visible, no? Is not visible. Why not? I broke it, did it. That's not what I want. I didn't want to break it, did it. Sad. Oh shit, that was close. Yeah, none of them have an arrow. Fuck. Try moving the checks. Well, I removed these. Okay. And if I presume that this works fine. Play. Okay, the arrow is there. It did not fade out though, but that's fine. Okay. It did work. Wait, no, we're still rotating with the player. Why is it rotating with the player? I didn't untop node it. It's still top level node. How does this happen to me? Why is it rotating with the player? Oh, I told you this is more difficult than it seems. Like, what happened? You're still top level. I don't understand. Like, actually now, I just don't understand. Is this like the UI issue where sometimes if like you add them in the wrong order and don't like unparent child them and then reparent child them and then you tick the box after all of that, then it works properly. But then if you change those options, it breaks all the children options. So you have to unparent the children, fix the children without that parent, undo the parent configuration, add the children back to the parent, add the UI option that like places it properly, and then only then will it function correctly. This is what's happening here. Let's turn off top level because that's how it's acting anyway. So we might as well just like turn it off. Oh, well, it functioned. It doesn't rotate with the player anymore. What the? That doesn't even make sense. Okay, now it does. Okay. After the first update, it rotates for the player. Then we put top level back on. Are we turning top level off? That shouldn't be. That's not okay. Okay, it's not rotating. Oh, I need another. Whoop, another player. Oh yeah, look, now it's rotating with the player. Is that because I'm the king Fimsh? I'm the king Fimsh. Oh, it's because I'm the king Fimsh. We're not hiding it, so it rotates with us. That doesn't make sense though. Why would it rotate with us? Yeah, but it's like continuously rotating with us. That doesn't. Anyway, it works on the one on the left, so it's whatever. Okay. The fade out doesn't do anything because we're not changing visibility. So if we go visible false here, we should see it work the one time, the first time. Oh wait, it's continuously resetting. Oh yeah, because we don't have any checks. That's fine. Okay, stop. The fade out is working. And so here, if there is, well, okay, I'm tempted to say that when we're making local player null, that's when we're having the issue. Play. So I'm gonna presume it works now, and we're just gonna play the game. Oh shit. It did not work. Okay, one of the checks is wrong. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's do it the long way then. Wait, so if not local player, if there is no local player, which should never happen, but you know, it is what it is. Save. We click play. Client play, client play. Oh yeah, it's flashing all the time, so... Oh yeah, and it turned off over here. Nice. That's perfect. Wait, so that works. If are you ever setting a kingfish or just the position? Just the position, because that's where we get it. Because in order to get the reference, we'd need to go up to the spawner, get the spawner to go over all its children to get the reference to the right child. You kingfish is here. You are never setting is set here. Like this is connected to set kingfish thing. And so we set the ID here, and then we get the position. When we get network position, we check if it's the kingfish. Yeah, like that part's working. It's just a visibility thing at the moment, or not in game. Does this even matter anymore? I don't know if not in game matters anymore. Yeah, I need 3 clients actually. Give me 3 clients. Debug instances. Yeah, give me a 4th one, please. Play. Wait, so I need to run 2. So we go client play, and then we go client spectate, and then who's the small? Oh yeah, it's showing correctly because this one has the arrow, and okay, we don't need to bother if we're in game or not. Well, oh yeah, the arrow is here. Yeah, we do need to do in game. But yeah, look, there's a cute little arrow there. But it's not in game. We need it if we're not in the menu. Okay, we'll get to that later. We'll get to that later. So I'll just make a thing here. Var not well, we can go spectating or in menu. Well actually we had it on game because you want to see other people's arrows. Yeah, I'll just put this as false for now. That's fine. We'll get to that later. So when we reset this, we're not spectating or in menu. If we are this, then we are spectating or In game. Sorry, not in menu. What am I talking about? Too many menus. Spectating or in game. You can make it visible if only. Well, yeah, that's what I was doing, which is here. Yeah, it can't be local player because there's always going to be local player. The owner is always the local player. But the client ID is not. Client ID is the network one. So if we spawn as a player in the game, it's true. And if we die, or the player ID, or the person that dies is the Fimsh, we also reset this. Because if we're spectating the king and they die, we doing this fixes some stuff. That's fine. Oh, we have distance here. Okay, we'll use that in a sec. Do player position. If it's not the one we're looking for, we don't care about, or local player doesn't exist. This check should do nothing ever, but I guess it's there. If we're not the king Fimsh, then it should disappear. This needs to be local player.id. If we're not the king Fimsh. What is this? King player. Oh yeah, we're not updating things that aren't the king. That's fine. We'll make this. Do you make this a bit longer? Oh yeah, the duration went to 4, 1. Playing. Oh shit, died. Owner ID. Play. Client play. Client play. Client spectate. No one has a leaderboard yet. Yeah, I need to increase the frequency of the leaderboard, I think. Ah, shit. Oh, shit. Oh man, this is difficult. Do any of them have an arrow? This one should have an arrow, right? We broke it again. Oh yeah, there's the arrow. Wait, it works on spectator, but not... it's backwards. Oh wait, we're the leader? Well, that's what I had. So that's what I had before, because it was like... it was just this. I guess the position matters. Wait, what?
Gundorf TV says Fimsh she won.
Yeah. It's always day 50 something, isn't it? It doesn't change if it's 60 or 70 or no. Oh, where's the leaderboard? We need this to update more frequently because at the moment it is too slow. Timer. Yeah, every 10 seconds. Let's make it every 4 seconds. You're getting new position often enough, it wouldn't matter. Yeah. Play, client, spectate. Oh, yeah. Wait, deadly. Oh, they're matching kings. That's fine. This one should get an arrow, no? Wait, only the king has the arrow. Did I do it the wrong way around? Oh yeah, it is true. The king does have an arrow. It says and not. What if I just go? Oh right. Yep, I did have it the wrong way around. That makes sense. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Play. Spectate. The other one has it. Yeah. Because yeah, this is the one with the smallest one, and it's got the arrow. I don't know. Do we? I don't know if the fade out makes sense. I mean, I guess it's fine. What I do want to do though is max distance. Oh here. Uh, we just go arrow sprite dot x is equal to max distance. But we need like 90% of that. But we'll see. Oh, it does not like that. Or position dot x. Why are you doing that? Oh, that does not quite work. Wait, what happened there? Why did it get left behind? Oh no, I broke it. Oh yeah, it's here now. I needed to go like this. No, like this. It's off screen, I think. You have some radio wave effect coming from the direction of the biggest Fimsh instead. How so? This sounds kind of cool. How so? That would be cool. I do currently. Yo, look what I added. I don't know if you saw this. I do currently have a colorblind thing. I mean, I don't know how well it works because I don't have these colorblind values, but I do have already have a screen space thing, so it should be pretty easy to just slap on another one. Save. Yo, the like way you do screen like post processing effects is so like negatively documented. Like all the documentation on it, they're like, oh, use a copy back buffer, but that literally doesn't work. And then all the other people, they're like, oh yeah, do canvas layer color rex, but then they don't tell you that like order matters or if it does matter or if it like yeah. No, it should help with it. Like it's a like originally it was a plugin from from well like this is the code. Where's the code? It was one of the like colorblind shader things. Like I'm pretty sure it helps with it, but I don't know. I don't have color blindness. That's not me. I have the colors. Um, is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Color correction mode. Yeah. So you linked this from somewhere that had CCO. It's taken from this. What is this? Let me get this link up. Yeah. Because we do this to it. Mm, Delta noise. Where is Twitch? Is this one? Canvas layer index matters. Yeah, well, I got it to work on everything, so it's fine now. Yeah, that's where they said they got the math from. I don't know if it's true, but like I was like, okay, it's better just having it and instead of not. But I presume we can just duplicate this and have another layer for the screen space shenanigans. Actually, what I need to check is well, like okay, I have a new problem. Do I have a new problem? Wait, why is this showing up? That should be showing up. Where are you getting the position from? Stop. Layer. Arrow node. King Fimsh equals local player owner ID. Like I'm pretty sure at some resolution the background because we use oh no, I fixed that. Don't worry, I fixed that one. The parallax thing was not working, so I just made the background a square texture and it just ends where the wall is. Okay, that's fine. Origin? Origin question mark. Godot color blindness plugin. It's one of the Godot color blindness things. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, it was. I meant more why was it visible, but I fixed it. Fixed. Okay, let's have a look at my to-do list because I have not looked at this and red flower gives speed boost, nice. Credit scene haven't done, arrow showing, perfect. Right. Is there an easy way to save settings? Like locally? Yeah, I think for the head pad. Like if someone types in their username and they like close the game and open again or refresh the browser, is there like a simple way to just like be like that's the username they used, or is that going to be difficult? Because this is also where the settings would be. But if it's easy to do, then no problems. Um, Visuals. Right, we still need to do this. That's fine. When is immune, visual equal and player is speedy. These are extra. We'll do these later. Boop. Bugs. Credit, that's not a bug. Bugs. Oh yeah, volume slider still broken. Tabbed out issues. Ah, fuck. Not the tabbed out issues. Just write it directly into a file and user. It's the simplest way to, if the username is the only thing. No, I have, where's my global config? We have the settings here, like the master volume, what colorblind mode option is there, if either a keyboard or controller are disabled. I mean, they're extra, but like, yeah, config file or JSON or var to bytes. Oh, we could var to bytes. We could do like we do for the sending data. JSON dot from native. So if I just like slap in a little func save settings, JSON dot from native variant full objects bool. Oh, so we can go like class save data. Then here we go like var master volume is a float, and then we go var username is a string, and then we can just go var data is save data equal to save data.new, and then we just pass in data, just a dictionary. How would that be good? I guess if we just full objects has a slight issue allowing arbitrary. Okay. Wait, how do I do a dictionary then? So we are a dictionary. Is it just by string? Or well, we can just do it by like index, int. But like they all have to have the same type. That's the problem with dictionary. They have to be the same type, no? Packed byte array. We do packed byte array, int pack byte array. And then from native data, you can do string to variant. I mean, we just convert them all to bytes, no? I mean, we could just do the packet info stuff, where we like encode it and decode it. We might just do that, like, it's not difficult. It does not need to be human readable, no. Because if someone wants to like change the settings, they can just delete the file, and then like they'll reset the settings to the default. Why would human readable be not wanted? Bar to bytes works better. There's no need to do JSON. Yeah, that's true. Oh right, that's why dictionary would be good if it was gonna be human readable. I understand. Okay. Where's my config file? Do I need it to be a dictionary? No, I just need it to be a bunch of bytes. Var data packed byte array. So if we go like master volume dot, oh wait, it's probably just like bar to bytes, right? Yeah. and bytes. Oh, so you think I should still just dictionary it up? Dictionary it up? Okay, yeah. Int act by the way. And then var to bytes the data. Wait, that's true. That's true. Data variable. Enum data variable. And then we'll go like master volume equals 0. Wait, do I capitalize this for yeah I do. Master volume. This should be save data variable. Save data type. Okay, variants. Master volume. Color lines mode. I mean, do I really need to save these? I mean, I guess if we save them, then it's like whatever. Easy does it. Disable controller. Disable keyboard. We will need username, so username goes here. What else do we need? There's one more. Maybe that's it. That might be it. Yeah, I'll just leave them there. There's no point not doing that. So data at save data type dot master volume is equal to master volume, and then we just like copy paste this a few times. Colorblind mode, disable controller. Username will be optional, so for now we'll just go like test just to make sure it does. Well, yeah. I'll do username in a sec. What's the colorblind thing called? Next colorblind mode, previous colorblind mode. What's this one? Oh, I don't have. How does this work? I don't actually save if they're disabled or not. Okay, we'll just do colorblind mode and master volume for now. You're blind, no color? Yeah. Okay, bytes, and then what was said? You can write it directly on a file on user. How do I write stuff? Movie writer. Save. Resource saver. Add resource saver format. Save. I don't even need bytes. Can I just pass data in here? No. file access, file access dot open. So you say user long Fimsh config. This does return something, right? Go string flags. This returns file access. Returns null if opening failed. Mode flags, okay. Mode flags. Right. File access. Oh, you like that. File. If file. Do stuff. File dot. Store variable data. And here if we go func load settings, how we do the same. I should probably put this under a constant. Const save file string save file file access dot open read. If the file exists, we don't store var, we go file dot get as bytes. Get var. There we go. Data is equal to this. I'm done. And then close it. Okay. File dot close. This ref counter so it auto closes when going out of scope. Oh, okay. Get bar. That's fine. File dot close. Yeah, we just do the opposite now. Yeah, so here we go. If data is a dictionary, else, can I delete the file? Can I delete the file if it's not a dictionary? Because then we know it's corrupted data. Save. Just save a new file on top. Oh, that's true. Okay. Yeah, let's save file, save settings. Yeah. Thunder.gets. Thunder.gets key default value. Thunder.gets color mode. I mean, this is kind of cop out because I set them all up here. It should work fine now, I think. Wow. Yeah, because if they're loading it in. Well, I was just gonna skip any that don't load in. Like if you um I was just gonna skip it if it doesn't do anything. You might create new settings later though. Any existing files won't have that. That's what it does. I thought it sets it to. Oh yeah, because I pass it in directly, it basically skips it. Okay, you're right. You're right. Oh, yeah, I'll do the username stuff later. That can come back. Um. Well. Well. Yeah. Like. Oh, we don't call save. Um. Um. If we just go global config dot load settings. Global config. Although technically if data has key, data is type. That's true. I guess we'll just save it here and right. Save settings. Well, there should be a better way to do this, but I'll just do this to make sure it works. Where does it save it to? We go panorama, and then we go return, close, stop this, click play. Where is the save file? Mm, Warning. Save to file. Save. Click play. Click play. Wait. Oh right. I'm not. Okay. Project. Open user data folder. It is there. Ooh. It is there. Oh, I know what's going on. We need to do the emit changes. Same with master volume. Oh, right, it'll be update master volume, and then we pass this in. So we go update master volume, and we pass that data in. And then we also do... we don't have an update colorblind mode, so I will just say... We'll just omit it for now. Look. It did not work. Wait, it's because... Oh. Imprint data. It says 0 is 0.5, 1 colon... Oh, right, the 0 entry is a really small number, and then 1 is 3. Why is master volume a really small number? Wait, is this the problem I have with master volume? So I have a bug with sliders at the moment, and that might be causing this really small volume thing. Yeah, it is, because it goes to 0.1. Okay, that's wrong. That's wrong. Um, mm, that's fine, right? Okay, let me try. Let me try something. Mm, 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 So I'm just checking. Mm, 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 mm. Whoa, like, what the? How does that work? Sorry, I'm ending things. Um, mm, mm, mm. Yeah, okay. So there's some. This is not correct. Where's my settings? Not here. Menu, settings menu. Mm, mm, That doesn't make sense. Sorry, just debugging some stuff off stream. Oh. Mm, 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 mm. Error. Error. Wait, let me just fix this up. Connected server, emit, settings, close, master volume. Oh, right, here. We need to multiply it by 10. I think that's what's going on there. I think maybe my sliders have been working this whole time. Maybe I didn't need to multiply it at all. Settings. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that also fixes the bug I had. You're nice. Where is that? Bugs. Fix volume slider. Perfect. Yeah, okay. I don't know what's wrong with the color settings. Oh fuck. That is loud. Holy. Wait, 0.5 is hella loud. Where's config? I'm gonna start at like 0.2 maybe. Yeah, okay, nice. Anyway, I think I'm done today because I'll do a little bit more off stream, and then tomorrow I'll get it ready so that tomorrow when we start stream, we can just debug the entire stream and make games. Make games. Like we can play games, not make games. Because yeah, the stuff I have to do now is like credit screen, debug why my thing isn't loading, and and the annoying thing that I really don't want to do, tab out issue, which yeah, I'll just do that offline, easy enough. Bug. Bug. Alright, thank you all. And uh yo, I'm gonna raid like they're not doing a programming stream, but surely it's fine. Surely it's fine. I'm gonna go raid. We're gonna raid Monkey. Hello. Hello, Kokyan. Welcome in. Am I updating settings in UI if the settings change outside? Well, that's what yeah. That's why I added these this emit thing, and also update master volume also does an emit thing. Yeah. And so it should there's a thing with the settings I have to do. You just joined? Not fair. Yeah, sorry. We are finishing up. We're gonna raid someone that's they're new to streaming. They are playing a game, which is not programming. So if you're here for programming, I'm sorry. The raid I guess isn't for you, but they are a cool person and don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be live tomorrow, just as I was live the past 70 days before today. Streaming every day of 2026. I was about to say 2021. That's like hella long ago. Hella long ago. Anyway, yeah, and tomorrow will be test day, so I'll get everything ready for stream tomorrow so we can all just play long Fimsh and fix any bugs that pop up, and then I can submit it for the Chill Vibes game jam, and we can yeah. Okay. Thank you all. Have a good one. Bye bye.